Game engines. Game engines are game engines are tools available to implement video games without building everything from the ground up. Whether they are 2D or 3D based, they offer tools to aid in asset creation and placement. I have listed three engines that are familiar to me. The first one is the Godot game engine. As you can see here in the presentation, I have listed the pros of this game engine, which is the easy install, especially without mono, lightweight, it's only a few MB, fast engine for most cases, and etc. Godot is a cross-platform, free and open-source game engine released under the permissive MIT license. It was initially developed by Argentine software developers Juan Niappi and Ariel Manzur for several companies in Latin America prior to its public release in 2014. The next engine is Unreal Engine. Um, Unreal Engine Pros, community, graphics, free source code access, unmatched platform support, licensing cost, multiplayer video game. Unreal Engine, also known as UE, is a video game development tool in the video game and software development company Epic Games. With this tool, developers have the ability to build a simulation, edit videos or sound, and render animation. And the last one is Unity Game Engine. Unity Game Engine Pros. We have cross-platform compatibility, robust and intuitive development environment, extensive asset store, powerful performance optimization. Unity is a cross-platform game engine developed by Unity Technologies, first announced and released in June 2005 at Apple Worldwide Developers Conference as a Mac OS X game engine. The engine has since been gradually extended to support a variety of desktop, mobile, console, augmented reality, and virtual reality platforms. It is particularly popular for iOS and Android mobile game development. It's considered easy to use for beginner developers and is popular for indie game development. Here in the left slide, you can see a component-based design, which explains how we design a game using game engine. We have steps listed down and organized it.